Damages. It sounds simple. If only you could fix a contract like gluing together a vase, right? But in law, damages is the currency of justice. It's about more than just money. It's about making things right. Or at least trying to. G'day everyone, LawBlender here, back to mix the law and technology and make it easily understandable. As your friendly neighbourhood lawyer, I'm here to break down the complex world of law one term at a time. Welcome to the LawBlender series Legal Terms Explained, Contract and Civil Law Edition. Today we're diving into the concept of damages. Damages, what are they? In legal terms, damages are a monetary sum awarded by a court to compensate someone for a loss or injury they've suffered because of someone's wrongful act or breach of contract. Think of it as a financial remedy. It's about putting the injured party back in the position they would have been in if the wrong hadn't occurred, and you could put a cash figure on it. It's critical to understand that damages are just one type of remedy in civil law, but they are the most common. Other remedies include injunctions, specific performance, and declaratory relief. But today, we're focusing on damages because they're the bread and butter of civil remedies. Why is this so important? Well, the most common way the law seeks to provide justice for those who've been wronged, whether it's from a car accident, a breach of contract, or some other civil wrong, damages are often the end goal. It's all about the money. Compensating losses, punishing wrongdoers, and deterring future misconduct, all through the universal language of cold, hard cash. In the United States, damages are a core part of civil law, traditionally governed by state law, though federal law can also play a role in certain circumstances. While specific statutes and precedents vary from state to state, there are general types of damages which are common. Compensatory damages are those that are designed to cover the actual losses suffered. Things like medical bills, lost wages, and property damage. Then there are punitive damages. These are rarely awarded, and they're not meant to compensate. Instead, they're designed to punish, especially egregious or intentional misconduct, sometimes in the form of amount to deter this type of behavior. It's important to note that while damages are the primary remedy, US courts can also order other remedies such as injunctions or specific performance if there's a case where money alone can't make things right. But in most cases, it comes down to dollars and cents. In Australia, the concept of damages is enshrined within common law principles and various legislation. Similar to the US, compensatory damages are the primary form, aiming to put the claimant back in the position they would have been in had the wrong not occurred. However, Australia also recognises a class of damages called aggravated damages. These are those which are used to compensate for injury to the feelings and to the harm of person's dignity. They may also be awarded in addition to compensatory damages, but that's a very rare occurrence. Australia has the concept of exemplary damages, which is similar to punitive damages in the USA, and they're awarded in particularly serious cases. But as the name suggests, it's the exception, not the norm. Like in America, Australian courts can order other remedies, but damages remain the go-to solution for most civil wrongs. It's about quantifying harm and loss in dollar terms. While both the USA and Australia have similar frameworks of compensatory and punitive exemplary damages, the specifics can vary. The US, with its state-by-state legal system, has greater variability in how damages are calculated and awarded. Punitive damages are also more commonly awarded in the USA than in Australia, although in both countries this is only used when the facts of the case are very serious and deserve punishment of the wrongdoer. Both countries primarily focus on monetary remedies, reflecting the legal system's preference for quantifiable financial solutions to civil wrongs. However, the approach to calculating and awarding these damages differs significantly between the two jurisdictions. Now it's your turn. What are your thoughts? Damages are a key part of our legal system, but how do you feel about the concept? Have you ever been impacted by the way damages are awarded, or have a view about the fairness of these systems? Let us know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So let's wrap up with some key takeaway about damages. Number 1. Damages are a monetary compensation for a wrong committed or a breach of contract. It aims to restore the person to the financial state they would have been in had the wrong never occurred. There are many different types of damages. Compensatory, which cover losses, punitive or exemplary damages, which punish serious misconduct, in Australia sometimes aggravated damages to address injuries or feelings. Number 3. The laws and specific calculations for damages can vary between the United States and Australia, and even between states in the United States. The amount of damages that you get may be subject in Australia to Civil Liabilities Acts, which may cap the damage payout that you can receive. Cap damages is far rarer in the United States. 4. If you believe you've suffered a loss or an injury that was someone else's fault, or you believe you've been wrongly accused of something, it's critical to seek professional legal advice specific to your situation. Don't try and navigate this on your own. And that's it. Damage is explained in a nutshell. It's a crucial legal concept that underpins how our legal systems address wrongs. If you enjoyed this explanation, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Next, in the series playlist, you may want to go back and watch our video on negligence. We'll be exploring another common term next in the series, liability. Have you got a burning question about damages or another legal concept? Write it in the comments down below. And of course, if you have any legal needs, visit us at LawBlender.com. That's me, LawBlender, signing off, and I'll see you next time.